In this video, I am going to show you how to connect your FP Markets trading account to MT5. So click and log into your FP Markets app. So it will bring you over here to the account section. So you are going to select which of the accounts do you want to link to MT5. So if you check the top here, there is a number. So you will take note of this number. Click on this drop down that is there to select whichever type of account you want to link. So this is the only account I have. Of course, you can add more if you want, but then you can see from here it ends with 902. This account ends with 902. So whenever you create FP Markets account, they will send an email to you that contains your account number, it contains your password, and it also contains your MT5 server name. So we are going to go to that email to see what was sent to us. So here is the email that you will get from FP Markets, and you can see that the account number ends with 902. So you will know you are dealing with that account that we just saw on their app. So you can see in the email you have your password for connecting to MT5 under this account details. So you can see that you have your trading account number, which is this one, 902. You have your trading account password, look at it here. And you can also see that they have given you that you need to select FP Markets SC Live. They are showing you everything here. So they have given all that we need to connect to MT5. I will go to MT5 now and then we can connect to it. So in your MT5, you are going to the top left hand corner where you see these three horizontal bars. Click on it. Then you will come to manage accounts. Click on manage accounts. Then this plus sign, if it's your first time, the plus sign may not be located at the top right hand corner. It may be anywhere in the middle here. So I will click on this plus sign that is at the top right hand corner. Click on it. Then we are going to search for FP Markets. So here we are, FP Markets. And remember, the one that was given to us was the one that has SC. This is it, FP Markets SC. That is why that email is very important. So I will click on it. Our server, we are going to click and select this one, FP Markets SC Live. Then the login number will be that number that we have that ended with 902. So let us go. So I'll copy this trading number, take it there. And for the password, I am going to enter my trading account password. Now I have hidden this one here. However, when creating FP Markets, you are asked for it. So you will also create a password whenever you are creating the FP Markets trading account, whenever you are registering or whenever you are creating a new one. So that password that you used when creating your account, that is the same password you are going to use to connect to MT5. So that is what I am going to use to connect right now. So when you are done, you can click on login, and immediately we have been connected to our FP Markets trading account. Is already connected. You can come under codes, click on it, and you will see what is available for you to trade on your FP trading account. These are the assets or trading pairs that you can trade, but it's not the only one. You can use this plus sign to click and then add any one that is available. They have cryptocurrencies up to 12. Click inside that folder to see the cryptocurrencies that are available for you. Anyone that you are interested in, just use this plus sign and click on it and it will be added to you. So you see I am adding them. If I don't want anyone, I'll click back again to remove it. Now I have selected 3. If I click this back button here at the top left hand, you will see that the three that I added are here: Cardano, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. They have been added at the lower part. If I want to shift this Bitcoin to be the first here at the top, I will use this pencil icon. Click on the pencil icon. Then you can click and drag using these horizontal bars that are like 4. Click and then drag it to the top and then release it. That will take Bitcoin to the top. Then you will click this back button and you will see Bitcoin is already the first among your list of codes. So if I want to delete anyone, let's assume I want to delete this one that I don't want, this USD HKD, and any other one. Use the same pencil at the top right hand corner, click on it. This time around you are going to click this dustbin icon. Then you will select whichever one that you don't want. Let's say USD CHF that you don't want, and any other one, maybe AUD CHF, and then this USD HKD. Then click delete. When you click the back button, you see they have been deleted from your codes. So if I want to go to the chart of anyone now, I can press and hold it. Then it will pop up this go to chart, click chart. It will take you to the chart. Or you can come under chart directly here. When you are here, you can select any other one by clicking this name. You see there's a tiny drop down just at this BTC USD at the top left hand corner. Click and you see it, and you can just select whichever pair you want to go to the chart, and it will take you to the chart. So that is how to connect your FPMarkets trading account to MT5 and then begin trading with it. You can use these blue and red buttons, the two. This will help you to start trading with it. If you are a newbie or a beginner in forex trading, I offer mentorship, and the information regarding that is in the description box. If you are interested, just contact me on that WhatsApp number. So if you have any other question regarding how to connect your FPMarkets trading account to MT5 on mobile, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.